Yes, if you are planning to open a salon, just you have to learn it. Like you don't have a choice than to learn it.
Just learn something. Because these people are out to really crush businesses, and they don't care. That's the one thing with them. They don't care because it's not their money.
Hello people, welcome back to the channel. You guys, welcome to the channel. Guess where I am? Can you guys remember? Okay, no, you guys have not seen her before. Her name is Joy Obaje Joy. She's my friend, childhood friend. We met at church. Joy, that was where we met.
Yeah,
Green pastures in Nyanya. Don't mind Joy. Joy is busy talking to her boyfriend, her fiance. Hey, now wow. Joy is in love. Oh. Hey, people like us, we don't even get boo-boo, not to talk of love. We are not in love. Oh, now wow. I go love, oh, Joy. I need to fast and pray so that myself I go enter. I go join people we get love. Truly, I need to fast and pray. So yeah.
Yes.
You don't finish your love call. You don't get my time now. Can you imagine this girl? She don't get my time. Like Joy has been making hair since we were small. She has been making my hair specifically. My hair, Vivian's hair, and Priye's hair. Sometimes we used to shuffle it. I will make your hair, you make my hair. Yeah, for school. I'll make her hair, she'll make my hair. Then I'll make Vivian's hair. You now make Priye's hair. You see? And now we're all graduates and we're still back in the whole business. We're still doing the salon business, you guys. So meet Joy. You guys will be seeing her like subsequently. You'll be seeing her more often. And she can make hair very, very well. So she's going to teach us some stuffs that we don't really know. Can you guys imagine today? I just fucked up. Like I messed up. I drove all the way to this place. I did not come with my memory card. I just brought out my camera to film and I find out that I did not come with my memory card and my house is very far. So I'm thinking of going to Nyanya Market to go and buy memory card, but I don't know if I'll be able to get in Nyanya Market. And I swear, I don't think I'm going to take you guys along with me because I'm going to be using my phone. So I don't know if, I don't want anybody to snatch this phone from me, so that's why. But not like I'm saying that the Nyanya Market is to steal. I'm just being extremely careful. I don't want anybody to snatch my phone from me. So that's what I'm thinking. I'm just finger crossed. I'm not sure if actually I'm going to go with my phone. So this is what Joy is doing. Joy is making someone's wig. So as I was saying back, like how we met, we were teenagers. I met Joy when I was in SS1, and she too, she was in SS1. We're like, but not same school though. Her school was a little bit far from mine. So that was how we met, and since then we're singing. Joy is a very good singer. Like she has voice. Like see her place. Twale. She has voice. She can sing for Africa. Like she can sing very well. No jokes. Joy can sing very well. Me, it's just dance. She can sing. She's very talented. She can sing. She can dance. She can make hair.
You can make throw pillows.
You can make throw pillows. Wow. But you can't bake, right? Me, I can bake. But I cannot sing. I don't know how to sing. I was just forming singer then, but I don't know how to sing. So yeah, what did again you do? You can chop food and you lepa like this. You can chop food and you lepa. Just I even get body pass yourself. I dey chop food. I know they chop well though. I don't really eat like that, you know, right? Are you serious?
Food is dying.
Enter with sense.
Enter brain.
Anytime she eventually makes up her mind to start up her own channel, I'm going to put the link in this video so that you can go and subscribe, and also other videos that she will be appearing, so that you can go and subscribe to her channel as well, because she's very, very talented and I know that she has a lot to offer. She taught me so many hairstyles, like plenty hairstyles. This girl has seen like this. Like mama of hairstyling, and she has worked in so many places before opening her own space. So she's very good, like very good. Unlike me that did not just work, I didn't work at all with any other person. I just opened my own salon immediately, and from there that was how I started learning, and that's it. But she's well experienced, like very good. Before you open salon, you need to know how to.
Of course,
You just need to know how to.
If you don't have idea, please don't open salon. That's my advice.
I dey tell you, the girl wey get salon around, she's a married woman around where I stay, ba. She, even with the fact that she even know how to make people hair, her hairstylist, they say after this December they leave her. They were telling me, we be customer. Say after this December, January they leave. All of them, don't be say she dey sack them, all of them they leave. They are even, she's even lucky that they want to even do Christmas with her.
And they planned it.
They planned it, all of them. She has 4 girls and 5 girls. All of them are leaving.
She not treating them well.
I don't know for them more. I feel like she's actually treating them well because she used to, from what me I used to see, but you know stylists how they behave now. Were you not treating the other girl that you left here well?
But I can everybody be glad to you. There's something is wrong.
No, be something is wrong. That's how. See, now so hairstylists they behave. If they 4 in number or 2 in number, when they work with you, if one person says she wants to leave, that's how the rest will not say they want to also leave. Don't be so one. You don't say one. That which kind better offer? They don't get any offer. You get one time where they do when for my shop where I can get hairstylists, like 2 girls. I can't tell them say make they start today because braided wig just started. So make they start to do braided wig. Do you know that they will do braided wig? I will sell it. I will still give them their commission. Remove the one for the shop. Now one day, one of them come meet me because to say she no go fit do braided wig. What did she even use as excuse? She just say she don't go do say she no do hair this thing again, braided wig again. That is not that she won't do braided wig again. I got to say why. She go say because she don't want to do am again. I got to say, madam, as far as my shop is concerned, that braided wig is here to stay. We will be doing the braided wig together. Now she can say as she no go do am again, say she want leave.
Yeah, make she go.
So as she said she won't leave, the other girl said she won't leave. I got her to say, if you feel like you don't want to be doing braided wig again, lock my shop and bring back my key. Because braided wig just come out then, like just start with the trend, and people know they do hair. So we go just sit down. As people know they do hair, we'll just sit down. We have to be doing braided wigs now. Do you know that this girl locked my shop? As she locked my shop, the other girl said she don't go do braided wigs, so she don't do anything. And so she too, she walk out. And do you know that this girl, before I even employ her, my mother begged me. My mother begged because of her neighbor.
Yeah, you told me.
My mother begged me. I had to sack the girl that was in the shop to employ her. Finally now, reach 2 months later, now I employ Mary. Mary will come stay for how many years? Then as I employ Mary, employ another person, then the other girl come back, come to beg me, say I beg me, she come work for me.
That's not that your neighbor.
Not my neighbor. The other one. Then my neighbor herself now went to open her own shop. No, she don't open her own shop. She can't go where they rent shop, and for that place, she na braided wig she can't go there. Call the poster for her WhatsApp. The poster for everywhere where she gets. Now one of my neighbor called, they ask me, say, why is this person no longer working with me again? I can't say she said she cannot do braided wig. Now the person comes and say, but that is what she's doing where she is. Braided wig. That's how stylists do. If one person, not be her own shop, she dey rent.
To just be doing that.
To be doing the braided wig, but she now left, and it's that braided wig now that she's doing. She's still doing that braided wig. So now so stylists do. If one person say they go, the remaining go say that they go too. That is if na people wey they no get sense na. I dey tell you, na so if one person hairstylist. If you are opening a shop, just try.
That Ella, maybe Ella just like doing that. At times you tell me I'm still buying fabrics and matching it. My beauty attachment, let's do. She do a hair, we share her into 3 carry. No, like you
yeah.
Make she employ person.
When she won't come start from the look for new stylists again. And you know how customers be. If they are used to one person, they will not want to change hands. They want that person to
they come one or two times and they don't see, they don't work out. They'll change location.
Yes.
Wow.
My dear, hairstylist.
Planning to leave everybody.
Everybody, 4
That
girls,
is bad.
complete 4 girls planning to leave. Very, very bad. Like, I just imagine how she won't take coke from January. My other
she
mind.
even know. And they never tell her.
They never tell her. They tell me. The first person tell me. Second person tell me.
God.
Tell me say they leave. I don't know why they tell me. I don't know their reason. But
So that you come and be meeting them now where they are.
oh, probably. So I'll
Yes, that's
follow
what
them.
they do. Yes. So that you follow them and you're interested, you collect their okay. So when you go in and with the work, the money come. So now they are bad people. They are bad people.
First person told me. Second person. My mind is just giving me like I should go and tell the madam. I should go and tell the boss that your girls are leaving. But the other mind.
Do you know how many customers they might have
Abi, apart from me, ba.
apart from me?
Because they also told my sister, my younger sister, that they are leaving. Yeah, they told my younger. It was even my younger sister they told friend. My younger sister said, "See this girl, so they tell her, what say the woman should do."
Yeah, make when they find them. That's the way they do. Nobody will get with you. If the customer comes tell me. That's so now. As they don't get, that's what stylists they do. Once they don't see people don't know them, maybe collecting numbers or
So they'll come and be doing home service.
you want to do home service and you just not even home service from there. You know they gather them, you come to the shop, you go back for your customers. So you not start from square zero. That's good. Those customers. That's what I mean. If girl they come shop, and they make sure say no the best way sabi here. Passing there.
Joy, you said.
And they make sure say no be best way sabi here passing.
No. Me and they even employ person wey sabi hair pattern so that I will learn.
No, no, because me sef I.
You say
They don't sabi work with you because me na manga on my own.
I know you are good, but me I dey always employ people.
I will make sure that I do it in a way that the customer will say no, call your madam. She gonna make this particular hair. You can't do it. So that's the kind of thing.
Joy, but do you know that
so now,
it's even better for you to be employing somebody that knows more than you?
they
So that you will
back
learn.
your- I'm learning on my own. They are learning from me, new styles. I'm on a concept though. It gets started with the second no go sabi. Nonsense. I was just looking at Precious when I employed her. She didn't make it, she just use her hand and do it. Now use it. This is good money system too. And she used the phone. At times I will even on television like this when they watch styles.
Learning style, ba.
Because if they know how to do more than
Who
you,
said?
and customers they used to them, they
Yeah.
are gone. The customer go, if they don't see them, they don't go come your shop. You don't know.
No be true. Oh. I don't think that is true. Do you know
see.
when I employed Mary, ba? I told you Mary they don't know how to make braids, eh? But me, I know how to do braids. Then, but I don't know how to fix. So we can't interchange. Like she can't learn braids, I can't learn how to fix. You understand? Remember that time now before I even employed Mary said nobody to come help me. When girls, hairstylists go they do me yanga, they do me yanga, they do me yanga. Christmas go reach like they go say they don't work again. And you go come on and help me. I don't have you fix, no, let's get it as a big.
Wow.
But as Mary come, I can't learn from Mary, Mary can't learn from me. Mary was now very, very good. But you know, shape me. You get, you know, she like, you know, shape. I like people wey sabi pass me so that I will learn from them.
If you don't sabi, I won't come to work with me.
Yeah?
You don't sabi pass madam. I won't tell you. You don't sabi pass madam.
No, no be by like that.
Right,
If you sabi pass
But
madam.
me, anyways, as I did, except I don't want to I make I learn now.
If you sabi pass madam, that one na for sure.
The only thing I know, okay, I don't get strength for hair and pedicure.
Okay, to do pedicure, but and even Mary says I will do pedicure. But me, I don't really put my mind for pedicure like that. But she taught me, Sha. She teach me how to do pedicure. I sabi am, but
For man,
no, I sabi am. She taught me how to do pedicure. She can do, Mary do pedicure for your leg. They do pedicure pieces. And they tell you, Mary, yeah, very good. She dey fix nails, she dey do pedicure, she dey fix hair, but she could not make braids.
money.
I can't employ her like that. Then she can't start the group from there.
And those kind of people don't want to stay because my dad they learn.
Yes.
Like, not the ones who say they don't feel say themselves.
I just pray these people I'm gossiping about are not even watching this video. Like that means I don't fuck up.
No, we were not really gossiping. We were trying to, we're discussing something
Like-
that is very productive that will help though.
Are you sure it's not gossiping?
It's not gossiping. This is not gossiping. It's still discussing.
Anyway, since I'm not calling names.
It was actually good that we're discussing so that people will get more enlightened. That
Yes, especially if you are
These
planning.
All these staffs are doing now.
Yes, if you are planning to open a salon, just you have to learn it. Like you don't have a choice than to learn it. I have plenty of videos here. You can go down and be watching videos to learn. You don't have a choice. You just have to learn.
Just learn something. Because these people are out to really crush businesses and they don't care. That's the one thing with them. They don't care because it's not their money.
Yeah, it's not their money. They don't care.
care.
The next thing they'll start laughing. Say that my madam knows how to manage.
And they tell you.
She don't chop her money for you. Be saying that the girls now then chop her money. No, but not true.
Yes,
You can't be saying that the girls now then chop her, but they'll say that my madam knows how to manage salon. She just get money for nothing.
It's your business. To manage and well, you just do it anyhow.
They
Because
tell
these
you.
girls are out there too. That's why today I'm saying, if I get a job or I still want to expand or after marriage, my husband say, yeah, and let's do this thing. Hey, I'm bringing Precious down.
But what of if Precious
Already
don't marry?
discussed it with Precious.
Precious, what if she don't marry? Not those things you go dey consider. Na
And
there
she go marry for a year now because the girl, she's still small and she's sabi work.
No be small girls
And
dey
she
marry.
doesn't want to go to school. She said she wants to really do the hair.
Na
imagine
small
that she
girls
wants
dey
to
marry, na
Abuja.
what are you
For me now,
saying?
she might open her own shop here in Abuja.
I think na small girls dey marry o. What are you saying?
That she really wants to come down and
Na small girls dey marry now.
maybe she say na here she will see her husband. Anything God fit do.
My dear, she fit dey there now. By now, as she dey even dey talk, some people say she don get belle. You never can
She
tell.
called me 4 days ago.
Eh, people say she don even. You don't work and tell. So no dey put your mind say you go bring her, you no bring her. She's a girl, she go marry. What if her
And she can still
husband?
be managing it now.
What if her husband is
What
in?
makes you think I want to marry you like person?
Come stay for Yola now. How she wan take dey manage
No,
your
she cannot
salary?
marry you like I don't think.
My dear,
something
just
still
pray.
disturbing me to come.
Just pray. Where she go dey stay? Una house big.
Then I said I will rent. I really get
House rent in Abuja is not cheap o.
She can be coming. Every person they move up careful, they go. See.
Only if you go employ more than, you go pack more than 2 girls, come pay rent for them.
She will be the one to be managing.
Yeah, she be
She will
managing.
be the one.
No, but seriously, there's this girl.
Lagos and she's here.
I think she's here on YouTube. One girl like that. I won't call names, guys, so that it's just be there. So the girl, she opened a salon, very big salon. I've not seen the salon no, now only for social media they see am. But she bring plenty. I think her girls are up to 10. Probably maybe she rented an apartment for them. All of them they wear uniform.
Where?
For Lagos. They call the place whether na braided something. I don't know, house of braiding or so. She gets about 10 girls.
Like she brought them from her hometown. Like she
You see
empowered
the-
them. She went there. Yes, I know what that's kind of thing about.
Eh.
She went to her hometown and she did one mini seminar and said she wants to bring girls and make them learn. You can work with her. That's how she carried those girls down.
Are you
And then-
serious?
Oh, see the respect they're giving to her. Man.
Are you
She's
serious?
paying them well.
So that's another good idea.
That's another way to.
Ewo, my mother they call me. Probably maybe the idea of bringing people from your village or from some other places and keeping them in one apartment and they're still paying them. Probably maybe that would be the best decision. To have a salon in Nigeria, is just it's not easy. The best thing for you to know how to do it yourself. You know how to do it. Any person when they come, just the person they do guide, they send them away immediately. Like my friend here.
CCTV camera.
You get my friend here. Her style is just mess up. Say, Alele, oh yeah, start.
Pack your load and go.
Leave this place.
If you say you don't want work, you want run my business, please you back and go.
I dey tell you. You dey hear her voice abi? She can sing. You said why you no go for the voice?
manage my money business.
The voice is also okay now. I'm trying to make you leave your money.
How many I'll be jack of all trades? I mean, okay.
Eh?
The stress will be too much now.
I
So
do
you don't know
now.
about your church.
Do you know that they gave the person a Benz? The car when they give the person, they mean na Benz.
I used to see a guy with him.
The guy, they gave her a normal saloon car. You know, even waste time, under 1 week they don't finish.
Serious?
Yes.
Just first and second.
The third, probably the third. I don't know if they give the third, but that the first and the second I know what they give there. Yeah, before try them.
Go American Got Talent.
But you will start from
If
somewhere
you
now.
call a pretty woman, she say she no like you. Oh my goodness,
I'm using my hand as a tripod. Hand they pain me. I'm using my phone. What a mess. Even my phone tripod, I didn't come with it. I can't even go to the market. Wow, I need to just manage for today.